Hey everyone, this should hopefully be the last video in this particular exercise. It's quite a long one with a fair bit of information in it. So let's see how we go with these questions. Now, the one that we're doing here is if sine x equals 0.6, find the value of these other things. And, well, again, this is using the symmetry of the circle. Now, what this sine x equals 0.6 is telling me is that the y value, when I've turned through some angle, is 0.6. So I could actually draw the axes. Oh, don't know what happened there. Okay, so draw the axes. Okay, and I know that I'm turning through some angle and it's going to have a y value of 0.6. If there was a unit circle here, we could imagine there being a circle there somewhere. So we've gone through some angle x, and the height here is 0.6. Okay, so what this is asking us to do is sine of pi minus x. Now, the fact that it's pi minus the angle x, that's telling me that it's in the second quadrant, okay? So we're starting off with pi and we're going minus that same angle. So I can actually draw that out there. So it's pi minus this angle x. And the thing is that this here should have the same height as this. So straight away we should be like, okay, so this here is just going to be equal to 0.6 as well. And we're done. It's as simple as that. So in the next one, where it is pi plus x, that means we're starting at pi and we're going plus that angle x, which again, we don't know what that angle is, but that doesn't matter. So it's going to actually let me do this. Okay. So we're going pi plus that angle x. And again, we're still measuring sine, so we're measuring the y value of this, which, because of the fact that this is the same angle here, it should just be the reflection of this. So instead of being positive 0.6, it actually ends up being negative 0.6. And so I can then go, well, that's just equal to negative 0.6, using the symmetry of this whole situation. So the next one, sine of 2 pi minus x, that's in the fourth quadrant. And, well, same thing here. So I'll draw the line out there. The angle here is from 2 pi backwards is just x, and again it's going to have that same height to it. Okay, remember sine, we're measuring the height, which happens to also be negative 0.6. The last one, sine of negative x, that's starting at 0 and then going back through an angle of x degrees. So start at 0, go backwards x, and we end up with that same y value again of negative 0.6. And we're done. Now that's everything for exercise 6b in the textbook. So we'll see how that goes. As I said, it's quite a bit of information, but the important thing here is to have a go at it and just see what happens. Anyway, see you all later.